friends, in this video, we're going to draw another Pokemon. Which one are we drawing?
Togepi.
Yeah, he's a little guy inside of an egg shell. Mm-hmm. I hope you're going to follow along. It's going to be a lot of fun. You ready to start?
Yes.
We're using our markers to draw with, so we're also using marker paper to draw on. But remember, you don't have to use these special markers. You can use a regular pencil if you want, or even a crayon. Okay, let's start by drawing Togepi's face. We're going to start by drawing his mouth. And we're going to just draw a straight line for the top of his mouth. He's a happy Pokemon.
Oh, yes.
Yeah. Then we're going to draw the bottom of his mouth. We're going to draw a U shape, or a letter U. Then we could draw a little tongue inside. And then we're going to draw his eyes. And we're going to draw big ovals, or tall ovals. This one's really close to his mouth. And we can also draw a little circle or oval at the top too. And then let's color in that bottom part, but leave the top part white. Okay, now let's draw another shape just like this, but I'm going to tip it the other way and tip it this way. But we also want to draw it the same height. Then let's draw that same oval at the top and then color in the bottom. Now we can draw a little curve right here and also a little curve over here. There's Togepi's face. Now we're ready to draw his body. Let's draw the little spike on top of his head. We're going to draw it right in between his eyes. We'll start right above this one. And we're going to draw an upside down letter V. We're going to draw him really big. He's going to fill the whole paper.
Yeah.
It's going to be awesome. Then we're going to draw, the other part is a spike over here. So we're going to draw it coming out like this. Then we're going to come back down, and we don't want to get too close to his eye. We want to leave some space here. Yes, and then this spike will come out a little further like this and then down, and there's a little more space on this side. Now let's draw the rest of his body, and it's a big round circle, but we're going to draw it coming around and connecting to this side. So we'll start here and we'll draw a big, wow, it's really big. Maybe not big enough though. And then we're going to connect over to this side.
Whoa, he's big!
He's really big. We're not going to have any room for his hand over here, but that's okay. It can go off the page.
That's fine.
Yes, totally fine. Now we're going to draw it looks like he's breaking out of a shell or a ball. We're going to draw the broken part. Let's draw a little zigzag that comes down. Then we're going to come back up and then down again. Then let's draw another zigzag coming up. Whoops. There we go. And then we're going to draw some little ones. We'll draw a little down, another little up and down, another little up, and then a big down. Kind of looks like we're drawing mountains. Mm-hmm. Then we're going to draw another up, down, one more up, and then another down. Yes. Okay, now let's draw his arms. We're going to draw one coming out over here. And we're drawing it below the shell, or the part that's cracked. And then we're going to draw another one over. These kind of look like flippers. Then we're going to draw another one on this side. You could just imagine it going off the page. Or if you want it, you could. Yes, that's perfect. Then we're going to draw his feet. Next, we're going to draw the same kind of flipper shape, but we'll draw it sticking out this way and then coming back in. And then we're going to draw a little toe line too. Let's draw that same shape over here on this side for his other foot. And a little toe line in the middle. Nice. Now he has these cool triangle shapes on the shell or the ball that he's breaking out of. We're going to draw a triangle. Well, we could draw kind of a diagonal V. And then we can connect this side to turn it into a triangle. And then let's draw that same shape, but smaller inside. Then over here, we draw a triangle shape, but a solid one. So we're not going to draw another shape inside. Then let's draw another triangle shape here. We'll draw an upside down letter V. Then connect the bottom. And then we'll draw that same shape, but smaller inside. Okay, right here, we're going to draw a square shape, but it's tipped diagonal, so it looks more like a diamond. Then we'll draw the same shape, smaller inside. And then one more shape, but it's wrapping around Togepi, so we're only drawing part of it. So we'll draw a line up. Then we're going to draw this line coming down, and then we'll curve back to the outside. Then let's draw that same shape, but smaller inside. And we did it! We finished drawing Togepi, except we still need to
Color him.
Yes, this part will fast forward, so remember to pause the video and take time to color your drawings. You ready to speed things up?
Yeah.
Hadley, we did it! We finished drawing and coloring Togepi, and he turned out awesome. I especially love yours.
Thanks, I like yours too.
Oh, thanks. I hope our friends will color their drawings. Now, we used our markers, but remember, you can use whatever you have at home or in the classroom, like colored pencils or even oil pastels. We used our light gray marker to add a shadow to make Togepi look extra 3D, but you could leave that part off to keep the lesson a little easier.
We hope you had a lot of fun drawing Togepi.
We do. We hope you had a lot of fun, and we'll see you later, our friends. Goodbye.